Hello everybody, this is Nikki with Diamond Painting with Nikki. I'm so sorry that I have been gone for so long. I have been in the hospital and then in rehab as I have had an amputation of my pinky toe, my diabetes and everything. It's been, it's been, you know. Anyways, I have been sent a package. It's a light board by Alan from TOHETO US. That's the store name. It is a LED light pad. It is lithium battery tracing light pad. It's an A3, 3-color temperature, 2,500 lithium battery, 6 levels adjustable bracket, built-in 6 levels of brightness, and stepless adjustable brightness. That sounds like the same thing, but my hair is not. But I was told to review this, and I shall review it. It has uniform luminous scale included, 6 levels of stepless dimming, slim and portable soft light eye protection, and charging available. So it looks like you can use this without it being plugged up. This is it. Again, the store name is TOHETO US. It's TOHETO space US. And it came pretty fast, even though I wasn't here to get it. But I got the shipping information that told me when it came. I don't have my scissors with me, of course. I'm going to use my key. There we go. Alright. And of course, it has stuff on the sides to where I can't. Okay. And, there we go. This is the charging cable, USB. And then this is the other side. Excuse my nails. Wooden stick. It's called a tracing light pad. Excuse me, a tracing light pad. So I think it comes with some tracing papers. We'll get into them in a minute. Okay. Put this over there. It's actually bigger than I thought it was. It does not come with an adapter to plug it up, but almost everybody has an adapter. Alright, it comes with instructions. Here's the front. Here's the back. See, this is the tray that you can, the scale to where it's tongue-tied, where you drop it down and then you lay it on. You cannot see it, but I will try and get my camera to where you can. Excuse me. Whee. Alright. See? Sorry for the movement. I wasn't planning on moving you. Uh-oh. There we go. Whew. I was not planning on moving you. This is nice. Alright. We're going to move this. We'll turn it on in a minute. I'm going to look at the picture. I love tracing, so I don't know what this is for. I'll have to look at the instructions and see. Maybe it's to hold up the thing better. There's a doggy. There is a dolphin. Parakeets. Or parrots. Not parakeets, parrots. Got them mixed up. Another dog. More like a Lady and the Tramp dog. Uh-oh, hold on. This has two. This is 3 forms of flies. I won't never use this one. I hate flies. A mouse. And then it comes with empty papers for you to trace them. Alright. Let's read this real quick. It actually does not tell you what to do with that. Oh. It's a pencil. It's just ain't got no head at all. So you're supposed to sharpen it. Okay. That's whatever. See, does this come on? Is it charged? Let's see. Where is the button? Ooh. Ow. Well, the butt came out. There we go. Ow. Oh. Okay. That's very bright. Then that's like tempered. That's like medium. And then off. And then this turns it up and down. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then it has a it has a clamp for your paper, which I like. This is a very nice light board. I've got to say, I've never had a light board that's quite as sturdy as this one. I get mine from AliExpress, and let me tell you, some of the ones I get are so, I got dirt there. They're so cheap. They break within me just getting them. So I've got to give this light board a 9 out of 10. I don't like how the back keeps flopping open. But this is a cool light board. Like if you're wanting to just trace, you could take it with you and just take it with you and trace. Because I like how it's portable and you can just charge it. I do like that. Oh no, I'm gonna keep that sticker on there. I didn't realize it had a sticker on it. But I really do like this. Thank you, Alan, for sending this to me. If you have anything else you would like me to review for your store, just shoot me an email. You have it. Sorry it took so long that I was in the hospital. I really appreciate it. I will use this. I love it. Alright. I will try and shoot a video next week for y'all. It was nice chatting with y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.